Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? This is Matthews from FOREX Traders. This is a live trade on USDJPY. Watch to the end for you to see what happened and everything else. USDJPY, a good trade right here. So let me just show you what happened and what made me take this particular trade and everything else. Okay, so if you look here, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Right. So you can appreciate that the market is in a downtrend. You can see the market has been in a downtrend for a while now. So if you go to the 2-hour time frame, let's see what is happening there. We had a nice big move right here from this level right here. We saw a nice big drop there, and those are the candles we're looking for. So when you go to the 30-minute time frame, let's see what is happening there. Yeah. So if you look here, we have our setup. We have a QML, we have a low and a higher high, and then the break of structure forming a lower low right here. And then right here we had, so let's go to the 15-minute time frame. This way it shows clearly. Yeah. So at this level, we have resistance, and the resistance, and then the market took out that resistance with a rising wedge. After that, we've seen the market actually reject that level and then dropping a little bit right there. So this is a really good setup. We've already sent this particular setup to both our private community only. So this is a 1:7 risk to reward ratio, 15 pips stop loss, and our target is about 123 pips. And on this particular trade, I'm risking about $100, to potentially make about 750 US dollars. So I'll give you an update, guys. Keep it locked. Welcome again to the second part of this live video. As you can see, the trade is already over. This was the USD JPY on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, let me just show you guys what happened and everything else. So this was our trade that we took on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you the before picture. I think I did send a signal to our private community like I told you earlier. Yeah, let me just show you right now, right here. This was the before picture. As you can see, the market was actually giving us a QML low, high break of structure, resistance, and then with a nice rising wedge right there. After that, we saw the market breaking this level, and then I entered right there, and then we saw the market pushing a little bit to the downside. So if you look here, the market actually pushed a little bit to the downside right here. After our entry here, the market pushed to the upside, then secured some profit, and the market went against us right there and took us out. So I had to re-enter right here after seek another opportunity to enter right here after this double rejection right there. Then I managed to enter right here, and then I had to ride all this up to this level right there. So this is let me just show you. Managed to send. This was my entry, as you can see from right there, and the market actually came to my TP right there, and then I was able to get out with some nice profit. Yeah, this was it. All right, so it was quite a tricky one because after this drop, I expected the market to actually continue to go to the downside, right? I expected this market to go down, but however, it's not what we decide, it's what the market decides to do, right? So the market decided to go back up. But remember you guys, I told you that I was planning to move my stop loss once price came to this level, right? Yeah, I did move my stop loss right there to a little bit in profit, and then the market came to take me out with a little bit of profit. Thereafter, we saw a rejection and another rejection of that level. Then I had to enter right here, securing about 1:7 risk to reward ratio, 1:8 risk to reward ratio actually. Yeah, this was a very beautiful trade. So as long as the setup still meets your criteria, you are supposed to take that trade. Oftentimes what the market does is that it will just come and take you out, and the market continues to go in a direction. So if you notice that it's just been taken out and it's still, if you look here, the market was still within our level, right? So if you have that confirmation, please feel free to take the trade again, right? So this is how it is. So this is how it turned out. A pretty good trade shared in the private community, and then this was the result. This was a really good trade. Yeah, this is a really good trade. So another yeah, I think this is all I had to show you guys. I really hope that you learned something from this. Yeah, basically the lessons from here is when you're taken out, which most of the times is going to happen, make sure that you, if you have a chance to get back into the trade, please get back. Okay, get back into that particular trade. Yeah, so let me see. I think we have a trade running today on the GBP card. I have a trade running on the GBP card. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we have a nice trade running on the GBP card. So same thing happened here. The market was actually trying to come to my stop loss, and then I had to actually, let me show you right there. So the initial trade was here. The GBP card trade was here. The first trade was here. So you see what happened here is that the market actually gave us a QML, low high break of structure. Then we had these equal highs here. So after having these equal highs right here, what happened is that the market came to this level. So this is something I would call an MPL, right? And then the market came to this level, and then I saw the market trying to reverse here, and then it actually moved a little bit. Then there was another QML on top here. So if you look here, there was another supply zone here, which was the fresh supply zone. So we either had, the market had to either turn from here or here, right? So we tried the first one, it dropped a little bit, and then it pushed the upside. Okay, after seeing that, I was like, okay, when I saw price coming to this level there, then I had to tell the guys, please get out. So if you see right here, I said exit now. Okay, thereafter I saw the market coming to my level, which I thought I was actually going to work in the first place. Right here, you see the market actually dropping a little bit, and then it went to the upside, right? Yeah, so it came to this level right there, where I was now waiting for it to come. After that, I entered resell right here, and this is the trade you're seeing right now, which is running pretty good so far. It's just retracing, but pretty good run right now. It's actually going a little bit about how many pips. Let's just count how many pips that's actually gone in our favor. It actually went over 100 pips. So far it's about 80 pips, but this is just a retracement. Therefore, I'm going to move my stop loss to somewhere here. Why am I moving my stop loss to this level? This is a high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if the market decides to come to this level, then I'm okay getting out of this market. Okay, so this is how I'm supposed to operate. Know exactly when you're supposed to get out. Always pay yourself. Never let the market go in your favor like that without you actually getting your money from there. All right, so you guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. So this is let me just show you the trade on the trading view. The GBP card, it's right here. So far so good. It has actually dropped beautifully. Our entry was very good. So we hope that it can actually continue to drop, because it has the potential of actually dropping even further. So you can see our entry there. We just had a nice rejection there, and then the market dropped. So as well, this was shared in our private community, as you can see right here, and everything else. So all these trades you're seeing, this is a trade which has a risk reward ratio of 1 to 9. Okay, the USD JPY had about like 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, 1 to 8 risk to reward ratio. All our trades have that much risk to reward ratio, so we're not taking suboptimal trades. We want, when we take a trade, we know that there's a higher probability of that going in our favor, and if it has, we'll take the trade no matter what. No matter the previous outcome, we have to take the trade, because we don't know which trade is going to win, right? So you always have to make sure that you take the trade. If you make yourself a winner by making yourself available when that winning trade comes along, because nobody knows when that trade is going to come around. So as long as your trade meets your criteria, make sure that you take the trade. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.